Good afternoon, Rushmere. I hope that we had a wonderful weekend and we are ready to continue with our fantastic learning throughout the rest of the week. Now, today's challenge from Mr Neary, you are only going to need a ball, which is going to either be the resource ball, a dog ball, a tennis ball, or something that we can roll. And you will also need a target. Now, I have used this can here, okay, as our target. So it means that I am going to be trying to aim for that throughout the challenge that we use today. You are then going to set out a starting point. Now my starting point is just going to be over here so that you're still able to see me. Okay, but you can set your starting point as far away or as close as you want to. Again, we can do it indoor or outdoors. Now, the challenge today is going to be to understand what we've got to do to try and get the correct, what we call weight on a pass or a bowl. Now, if I pass the ball in football, okay, if I kick it too hard, then it means it will go too far. And therefore, my opponent or my partner or my teammate won't get there or receive the ball or be able to control it. If I'm bowling a ball and I bowl it far too fast and hard, then it means that it will go far too far. Okay, so therefore what we need to do is we need to try and get the perfect amount of weight onto a ball so then you can try and push the ball into the correct area that you're aiming towards, whether that be bowling it or whether that be kicking it. Okay, so for your first challenge today, what you're going to do is you're going to set out your target and you're just going to try and bowl the ball to see who can get the ball the closest to your target. Now again, this can be open to all of your family members, bowling the ball and then see who can get it the closest. If you want to measure it, then you can either measure it with your feet and distance, or you can even use a measuring tape if you're being really precise and close. So it's simply, first challenge is to see who can get it the closest, and I would probably do at least 5 rounds where you're rolling the ball very softly, okay, and trying to get it the closest you can. If it hits, then that's fine, and then once the ball has got to that area there, I would then measure between the ball and my target, and for me, it's about 3/4 of a foot, okay, of one of my feet. And I'm going to then let somebody else have a go. If somebody else isn't playing, I'm just going to see what the closest I can possibly do is. So write down your 5 results on how far away you manage to get the ball from our target. So that's challenge number 1. Challenge number 2 is now going to no longer be bowling the ball, but you're going to be passing the ball. So we're going to place the ball down here, okay, and we're going to use our feet. So can you control the ball enough to pass it lightly? And then hopefully, that's not bad, Oh, pretty much perfect. That is actually touching, I believe, so you can't get any closer than that. So my attempt number 1 would be perfect, 0 millimeters touching, and therefore I would have 5 attempts at passing the ball. Finally, for challenge number 3, once you've had 5 attempts at the passing with your feet, challenge number 3 is going to be to see if you can actually hit the target. So it's not about distancing the right way apart from the actual target, it's about trying to hit it. So we're going to try and bowl the ball to try and actually physically hit. Oh, I missed it. So I missed my target, which means unfortunately that is 0 out of 1 attempt. And again, have 5 to 10 attempts and see how many times you can hit the target from your 5 or 10 attempts. Okay, so challenge 1 is bowling the ball and trying to get the correct amount of weight on the ball or power. Not enough power will be too short, too much power will be too far. Okay, challenge number 2 is going to be passing it using your foot or rolling it using your foot. Doesn't matter what foot you use, entirely up to you. And trying to get the right distance. Again, measure them and see which one is the closest out of 5 attempts. And the last one is see how many times you have to roll the ball with your hand until you actually physically hit your target. And you can play this as a competition against your family members within your household if you can. So I hope you enjoyed the challenge today. It's an interesting one. Jot it down in your results books and I look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. Have a good day.